Hello out there, YouTube friends. I'm Cindy. This is SincerelyCindiSettle, and it is a Wantable day. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Wantable, $20 styling fee, I believe, that goes towards anything that you wish to keep. You do have a stylist that sends items your way based on your style profile. That $20 goes towards anything you wish to keep. You do get 7 items. You do not get a preview or anything like that like you do with Stitch Fix. But the fact that you get a couple more items is kind of a little bonus. They do also have what they call a stream, and you can get on there and you can choose to decline specific items, which means you don't like it, or you can choose to, what's the word that they use? Accept maybe, or request. Request is what they use. You can request items as well. They will try to put those items in your box if they have them available in your size. I have a habit of not really going through the stream all that much, and I just kind of wing it and hope for the best. Now, they also have themed edits that you can get. They call their style boxes edits. This is not a themed edit. I need to figure out from Wantable how, because I'm on a 3-month rotation with them. So I need to figure out how I can request the theme as part of that subscription, as opposed to going in and buying another box. So I'm going to talk to them about that, because I do like the theme edits. I think those are a lot of fun. But let's see what we have in here. Uh-oh. It's falling apart. So let me just show you here. It does come in a bundle. My bundle is incomplete now, and it is wrapped very nicely here in their Wantable tissue paper, and then you have a sticker there that says "Styled for Cindy." My assistant Bernie is in here with me today, so I'm not sure. You might have some rattling of the camera until he decides he's tired and he's going to lay down out in the hallway. But right now, he's up and he's wanting to know what's going on. All right, so let's see what we have in our bundle. All right, first up we have this mustard colored cold shoulder type of top. V-neck, very nice material. It's like a waffle net type of material. It has the appearance of being like 2 different shirts there, like it's a vest and then a shirt underneath it. So I don't know, that's interesting. I'm not sure about the cold shoulder. I think I'm kind of over that. Then we have a pair of leggings. These also are very, very soft. These are by Wantable, and they're like a berry type of color. All right, so we have a pair of jeans. So these are the Democracy Absolution Booty Lift Jegging. So I do have a pair of Democracy jeans that are the same wash, but they are a boot cut. They are also the Absolution. I got those from Amazon. So if I like these and I decide to keep them, I will definitely check Amazon to see if they have them a little bit cheaper. Of course, I don't know how much these are, but typically jeans in Wantable are running, I don't know, in my boxes they're usually about $70 to $80. So Democracy I know is usually a little bit higher as well. So my guess is that's probably the range we're going to run in. All right, so then we have a pretty floral cami here. Okay, it's very pretty, very tropical, very beachy vibe. And it looks like it is kind of a wrap cami. Yes, it's a wrap cami. Very pretty. Spaghetti strap. It's not adjustable. V-neck, like a wrap style. Let's see. There's our envelope to send anything that we don't want back. Here is our letter from our stylist along with the items and the prices. So I'm not going to read through the letter, but they do give you, you can give them just a general note, like if you have things on clearance, please send me clearance items or sale items. And then they will also give you your order note. So anything that you have put specifically in your note for this particular edit, they will let you know what that is. And then they will send you a style note from the stylist. Then we have something black. All right, looks like this is going to be a t-shirt dress. Just a simple black crew neck t-shirt dress. Okay. And then finally we have something navy. Let's see what this is. This is going to be, looks like a tank top. All right, so, oh, one more thing. We have a pair of earrings. Looks like very pretty pair of hoops. I don't know if I need any more hoops, but those are very pretty. All right, so let's try some stuff on. All right, here is our first look. So, there are several things I like about the top. I do like the color. I think this mustard color is a very flattering look for fall. I like this color on me. I think it's flattering on me as well. I'm not a fan of the cold shoulder, I will just tell you, and I do feel like the sleeves are a little bit long for me. I'm not sure how I feel about this here either. I'm not sure that that's the most flattering look for me since I have a larger chest anyway. I need to look back at the footage of this one, but the shirt is very soft and it's very comfortable and it's very forgiving. But let me get a little bit closer so that you can see the color as well as the fabric. So you can see it's a very pretty mustard color. I just don't feel like any of this is doing anything for me. I feel like it's making me look wider than what I already am. I'm not a fan of the cold shoulder. I'm kind of out of that phase. I feel like that's trend is kind of over. So again, it is kind of a waffle knit look to it. And you know, a wider V-neck there. So not sure that that's going to be a keeper. This top's going to be a keeper, but let's talk about the jeans. So the jeans are a good fit. Again, they are a jegging, and they do have this absolution, so they have a little bit of forgiveness in this area as well as in the waist. The fit is good. They are very comfortable. Again, I kind of feel like the jegging is kind of on its way out. I know a lot of people are against that and don't want it to happen, but I think that, you know, I have found other jeans that I like a little bit better that aren't quite as skin tight as the jegging is. So, but with that being said, I do feel like these are a good fit, and if I were in the market for a dark wash jegging, these would be a good option. So I am going to go ahead and look on Amazon to see if they have these a little bit cheaper, and I will link that down below if they do indeed have them. So if you like these jeans and you're looking for some jeggings like this, there's no distressing. They are a dark wash, very nice, very comfortable, lots of movement. Then you can check out that link and see if you can find a pair in your size that might work for you. Okay, so next top we have this cute little wrap top. It is a spaghetti strap. The straps are not adjustable. And you do have the wrap here. It is, you can see that opening there. It does have some elastic waistbanding here to give that appearance of it being tucked in. Large floral print. I'll go a little closer so you can see those colors really quick. Let's look at the back. So very pretty colors. I feel like the look and the cut of the top is very flattering. I do like a V-neck. Spaghetti straps, again, if I were not going to wear something over this, I would wear a strapless bra. I didn't bother putting that on today. But if I were to wear this to the beach or to the pool or, you know, out during a warm summer day, I would put on a strapless with it. It would look cute with jeans, with shorts. I don't know, this is kind of cute. What do you guys think? I don't have anything like this in my closet. I don't have anything with this color combination. I do like the wrap style. I don't know. I kind of like it. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I probably would never pair these together even to wear to work out or anything like that. But these were the two items that I had left, so I thought that we would go ahead and talk about them together. I also have the t-shirt dress, so I'll try that on in a minute. So we do have the Razorback navy top. it's okay. It's okay. I mean, it feels like it's good quality. I do like the higher neckline. The under the arms are good. Everything is covered there in terms of the bra. And of course you do have that razor back. I am just wearing a regular bra. So you are going to be able to see the bra with this one. It is more of a fitted top to work out in or to layer for sure. Let's look at the back. Let's get a little closer so you can see the color and the texture. So again, I feel like it's a very nice fit. I'm just not sure that it's anything special. You can see there. Good workout top for sure. All right. Lots of lumps and bumps back there though. All right. So same thing with the leggings. Of course, they're like a cotton type of legging. I'm not sure that they would be a great workout legging. And I'm not sure that that's what they're meant to be. I think they're meant to be like a run around errands kind of legging. But I do feel like they're almost maybe a little too big. I mean, I feel like there's some drooping here in the back that if you moved too much or did too much squatting or something like that, that they would kind of fall down a little bit in the butt area. I think the collar's very pretty, but I'm not sure that this is something that I'm in the market for right now. Something more neutral would probably be more my style, a gray or a black, something like that that I could wear. Throw on just a, well, I guess I could wear this with white as well, but actually the navy does kind of go well with it, to be honest with you. It does have these little specks in the fabric. They're black or navy or dark. So it's not a bad look together, just not something that I'm crazy about. All right, let's try on the dress. All right, so just a simple black dress. Very comfortable, just a t-shirt dress. I do feel like it's not as potato sackish as what I thought it was going to be. It does have a little bit more shape to it. I mean, it's very cute and it's very comfortable. No pockets, unfortunately. You could belt this, very cute, would be very cute. You could wear a jean jacket, any kind of jacket really to dress it up, dress it down. Sandals, flats, tennis shoes. I mean, there's a lot of versatility to this, and I feel like the fit is very good. I like the little sleeve, very comfortable material. Not sure that I need it, but it's very comfortable. So let me know what you guys think. All right, let's do the wrap up. Okay, y'all. I'll be honest, I'm not crazy about anything in the box. There are a couple things that I'm kind of, well, maybe those are kind of cute, but I don't know. So I don't know. We're going to see what the prices are. I'm going to look back at the footage and then we'll go from there. How about that? All right, so let's start with the earrings. These are earrings that I requested. Again, this is what those look like. They are just a hoop. I don't know how well you can see that. They are a hoop with like that diamond cut look to it. So those are $26. I have not tried those on. I'm not sure that I need another pair of hoops, but these are significantly smaller than the ones I'm currently wearing and that I wear all the time. So I'm sure I would get some use out of those. All right, then we have the navy t-shirt. That was this one here. And it wasn't really anything special. It is $42. I don't think I'm going to keep that one. We have the mustard colored top, which again, I'm kind of over the cold shoulder look. This is $52. That's going to be a negative. We have the floral Cami. That was this one here, which I did like once I got it on. I do like the collars. I like the wrap. It is $49. Not sure if I like it $49 worth. I don't know. No. And then we have, yikes, the simple black dress. This dress, t-shirt dress, is $74. Now, I can probably find something like this at Walmart or Target for cheaper. Much cheaper. That's kind of disappointing. I mean, again, is the quality going to be as good at Walmart or Target? Maybe not. But $74, seriously? That's a lot. That's disappointing. All right. So then we have these leggings. These are on sale. They are $32. These are going to be a no. I did not love them. And then the jeans are $88. So again, I'm going to look for these again on Amazon. I'll link that down below if I find them. But I don't know that I really have any keepers in this box. That's disappointing. Now, part of that's my fault. I don't do the stream very much. And I haven't updated my order note since May. But still, I don't know. I may email them and see if I can get another box. See if they'll replace the box for me. Maybe I can request a themed edit or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, so I will also have a referral link for Wantable down below. This was not a very good representation of what they have to offer. Although I did have some cute items in here. I felt like some of these items were a little overpriced and I just didn't love any of it. Again, doing the stream, making sure your profile's up to date, those kind of things are always going to help. And again, that's kind of on me. So I need to do better to do that whenever I know I have a box coming. So I will have a referral link down below that will give you a 20, I think it's a, it seems like Wantable's a little bit different. I don't know if you get a credit or not. It may just be a credit for me for the referral. I can't remember. So anyway, there will be a referral link down below. If you do use my referral link and you don't get a credit, I'm sorry, but I do appreciate the credit that you might provide for me. So I do always appreciate the support. So let me know what you thought of these items. If you felt like there was anything that was exceptional that you think that I should keep for the prices that we saw. And what is your overall impressions of Wantable if you've tried Wantable before? And should I order another box from them? Should I just stop them altogether, which I've contemplated several times. I know you guys are probably like, Cindy, you've said you're going to stop Wantable and that you keep getting it. I do need to try something else. I have tried Dia. I'm getting another Dia box as well. And the other one I haven't tried yet is Nadine West. What do you guys think about Nadine West? Should I try them? Are they accommodating for plus size women? What are your thoughts? So I love hearing from you guys. Let me know what you think. I will see you guys soon with a book review and a couple more try-ons. I'll see you soon. I'm Sincerely Cindy Settle. I'm signing out. Mwah.